Welcome to the UpPromote tutorial series. Today, we'll show you how to customize your affiliate registration form using our basic template. Here's a preview of the form we'll create together, and we'll use it as our guide in this video. Let's start by understanding the key components of a basic registration form. It has three main parts. Sidebar, where you can showcase your brand, product, or tagline. Benefits section, you highlight why someone should join your program. And of course, the form fields, where affiliates submit their information. Now let's build the form together. First, go into the UpPromote app. Click on the Display tab, then select Registration and hit Customize. Now you're in the form editor. First, select which program you want to edit. For this example, we'll use the standard affiliate program. On the template screen, choose Basic Form, and then head over to the Design tab. This is where we'll handle the layout and visual design. In the General section, you can choose the font for your form right here. This example is already using pop-ins, so we'll leave it as is. But if you prefer a different style, simply pick another option from the drop-down. Next, just toggle the logo display on. Quick note, you'll need to upload your logo in the settings first for it to appear here. Moving on to the sidebar, keep the heading and subheading colors as green to maintain readability, then upload a background image to make your sidebar stand out. Now for the benefits section. Here's where you can update the look of your benefit blocks. Set text color and icon color. Let's tweak the form field colors. Adjust the color of your form headings, field labels, and text input areas. Before we move on, there are a few more optional settings. You can enable CAPTCHA to prevent spam, remove UpPromote branding for a cleaner look, enable translation if you're recruiting affiliates from other countries, and even apply custom CSS if you need advanced design control. Contact our support team if you need advanced custom CSS. Great! That's the design part done. Now let's update the content. First, sidebar content. Change the heading to Welcome to Supplement and the subheading to The Best Supplement World. Next, customize benefits block. First, update the benefits heading to Our Offers. Next, move to the benefits details. You can customize these however you'd like, but typically, this section highlights your program, such as cookie duration, commission type, commission rate, and any extra perks or promotional methods, like coupon codes or affiliate links. Before customizing the details, look at this note. If you want certain information, like commission amount, commission type, cookie, or program description to update dynamically, you can use these variables in the description field. In this example, we will keep the three first variables and customize the last benefit. All right, we've wrapped up the benefits section. Now let's move on to the most important part, the form fields. This is where your affiliates will submit their information to join your program. In most cases, we suggest organizing the form into three key parts, like in this example. First, default fields like name, email, and password. Second, their promotional channels, such as YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. And third, optional questions to help you better understand the affiliate, like their goals or reasons for joining. This can help you identify those who are truly serious about promoting your brand. Now, let's walk through how to customize these form fields. Start by keeping the form heading as Join Our Affiliate Program. Then, click here to open the Form Fields Customization panel. You'll see the first 5 fields, name, email, and so on, are required by default. These can't be changed. Next, let's add a few promotional channels. Tick the boxes for Instagram and TikTok, YouTube. whatever fits your target affiliates best. Now, let's create a custom question. Click Add New Field and choose Dropdown as the input type. Set the field label to How many followers do you have? Tick the Required box to make sure they answer. And then do the same for the last question. Do you have any plan to promote our products? After finishing this step, let's move to customize the Submit button. Change the button text from Join to Sign Me Up. Keep the login text. And the last one is about Agreement. Include terms and conditions and privacy policies. This is a very important part, which outlines the rules, guidelines, and expectations affiliates must agree to in order to access and use your program, and start customizing the terms and privacy policy. You can craft your own, but we also have a template where you can twist some information to make it fit your purpose. After everything is done, hit Save. Before you launch, make sure to preview the form and test it from a visitor's perspective. Want to take your form design to the next level? You can also upgrade to one of our premium templates, like Trendy or Comfort, for a more polished, on-brand experience. Try it now in UpPromote, or explore more step-by-step tutorials on our channel. That's a wrap for this video. If you need any help, our 24/7 support team is always ready to assist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.